All right, let's look at a tool that's a total game changer for metal fabrication.
Tired of slow welding and frustrating results? Then you're gonna want to see this.
This is the kind of real-world impact we're talking about, a massive jump in output.
The old way dumps way too much heat into your workpiece, causing warping and burn-through.
But a laser, it focuses all that energy into a tiny spot. Super clean, minimal distortion.
And don't forget the cost and space for 3 different tools, plus training for each.
Finding skilled welders is tough. Getting someone up to speed in days, not months, that's huge.
So what's the solution? It's one handheld machine that does the work of 3.
You can switch from welding to cutting to cleaning in less than a minute. Wild.
Okay, let's talk speed. We're looking at 3 to 8 times faster than TIG welder.
And you're not sacrificing strength for that speed. These welds are incredibly strong.
So, side by side, the laser crushes it on speed, thin metals, and almost zero cleanup.
The 2,000-watt model is really the sweet spot. Now let's see how this investment pays for itself.
Buying direct from the factory cuts out that 30 to 40% dealer markup. That's thousands in savings.
And look at the long-term value. Your cost for consumables and maintenance just plummet.
So the big question is, how do you know if this technology is the right fit for you?
If you're working with thinner materials and the final look is critical, it's a no-brainer.
But if you're welding thick structural steel or dealing with big gaps, stick with traditional methods.
So if speed, quality, and major cost savings sound good for your business,
The next step is easy. Get a free recommendation from the actual engineers who build the machine.
Just shoot them an email or WhatsApp message. The tech team gets back to you fast.
seriously, what could you build with that much more speed and a perfect finish every time?